Hello and welcome to this channel where we share with you technology related information and how to get the best out of your devices. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 advantages of using Microsoft Edge over Google Chrome. As you may know, Google Chrome has been the leader in the browsing industry for some time now. And however, they are the leader, but Microsoft Edge has some impressive features that you just might like. And the truth is that they are all good in their own ways. There are certain things you can do on Microsoft Edge that you cannot do on Google Chrome. There are also some things you can do on Google Chrome that you cannot do on Microsoft Edge. And so what I do is, there are some of the things that I want, if I want to do them, I know definitely this, I can't do it on Google Chrome. So definitely the option to go is Microsoft Edge. So I have what I use Microsoft Edge for, and I also have what I use Google Chrome for. I use all of them, but they all have features that are advantageous over the other in their own ways. So without wasting much time, we go into the first one. The number one reason why, or the number one advantage of Microsoft Edge over Google Chrome is that it has read aloud options. So for example, let's say I want to read a book. Let me just show you a sample. So I want to read this book and I want to use Microsoft Edge to read it. So I can read it aloud, listen to it, and it helped me to read faster than a normal reading. For example, so as you can see, when I come here and click on read aloud.
An appreciation. Though Russell H. Conwell's acres of diamonds have been spread all over the United States, time and care have made them more valuable, and now that they have been reset in black and white by their discoverer, they are to be laid in the hands of a multitude for their enrichment.
So I can stop it. There are several options. The voice has some, for example, I can change the speed. I can change the voice. This is Microsoft Aria Online. I can come and change any other voice that I want, whether I want Singapore, Philippines. There are several options available that I can choose. There are several options available. Even if I want to change the language, yeah, those options are available. So it's really a great way to read. And there are also other options, such as if I want to underline. So for example, if I want to highlight a certain aspect, that's highlight, not underline, highlight. If I want to highlight a certain portion, for example, I can click this and then let's say I want to highlight here. So as you can see, I've highlighted this part like that. Okay, so if I want to erase it, I just simply come, it has been erased. So you can highlight, you can erase. Then there are many other options. For example, I can have a 2-page view like this. If I want to come back to 1-page view, you can come back and then can use this to zoom in to make it big. So there are a range of things that I can do. For the fact that you can even read aloud and listen to it is very, very, very important. That's one of the things that you can do on this browser. Okay, so that's the number one most important thing. The number two most important thing is you can edit a PDF. So for example, when you open a PDF like this, you want to edit, add text to it. You can do this in Microsoft, or if you are using Adobe Acrobat and you are not using the paid version, you cannot edit a PDF. But here, as you can see, you just come and click. And when you click, for example, I can just start typing. Let's see. Let's say I want to type production. Okay, so as you can see, you can type, you can customize it the way you want. You can change the color to the, let's say I want to make it blue. As you can see, if you want to increase the text size, if you want to decrease it, so as you can see, I'm increasing. I can decrease it. I can space this, can space, put more space between the text, the, what do you call it, the letters. Okay, I can also reduce the space. As you can see, increase, decrease. Okay, you can also delete it if you don't want to save it. Okay, so you can do all of that. So that this is also one most important function of Microsoft Edge that we don't have in Google Chrome. Okay, so the next one, you can pin your favorite website to the taskbar. So how do you do that? So for example, as you can see, I'm on Facebook. So let's say I want to pin this login. I just have to come, click on the three dots on the right hand side, click and come, scroll down and come to more tools. Then you can see pin to taskbar. I can also pin it to the start menu. So if I pin it to the taskbar, for example, is there. So anytime I just come and click, it will just open. So I'm back. So take time to follow this process and you'll be able to do this. The next one is it has more enhanced security protection. And in other words, you can track third-party cookies. So it has protection, or it helps you to be able to block third-party cookies. So for example, a lot of people will be tracking you almost everywhere you're going, especially on browsers like Google Chrome. And though they have systems in place to help you delete cookies and all that, there is still more tracking. They track you, personalize your data. They have your data, personalize a lot of things and track you so much. But here, you have more protection against tracking. How do you do that? When you come to the three dots and go to settings, from settings, you can go to privacy and search. From here, you can see we have three basic levels of tracking prevention. We have the basic, we have the balanced, we have the strict. You can be under the balance, which is the best. However, if you want more, if you want to be more strict and just go completely private, you have to choose the strict option. And this strict option is mostly recommended if you are in incognito. If you are in the incognito tab, this is the one we should choose. Okay, so there is more enhanced security. There's more enhanced security when it comes to Microsoft Edge as compared to Google Chrome. So as I said, they are all important in their own ways, but these are the advantages you will get on Microsoft Edge as compared to Google Chrome. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. We are always producing great videos like this that will help you to make the most out of your devices. And we're also into digital marketing. If you need our help in regarding to either setting up an ad campaign on Facebook, Instagram, or Google, or reinstating your advertising restriction, check the links in the description to follow us. If you also follow these guidelines and you're not able to do anything, you can just leave your comment and we'll follow up to help you. Thank you once again for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.